All you'll need is a Torx T20 screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of work gloves. Before any repairs, always unplug your appliance from the mains. If your dishwasher is an integrated model, the cabinet door will need to be removed from the front. On this model, it's held in by 4 T20 Torx screws found here. Some models will have rounded screws for the cabinet door, and then flat screws that hold the control panel and outer front door panel in place. Remove the 4 rounded top screws holding the cabinet door to the dishwasher. The cabinet door can then be detached from the dishwasher and placed to one side. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to lean the dishwasher on its back to make for easier access and filming. You should be able to keep your dishwasher in place when replacing the drain pump. Pop a pair of work gloves on. The kick plate, also called the access panel, needs to be removed to access the drain pump. It's held in by 2 Torx T20 screws. Remove these and place them to one side. Lift the kick plate up with a flathead screwdriver or a blunt knife. If your dishwasher has a floor time light, unclip the electrical connector. Place the kick plate to one side. Remove the insulation. Move the wiring out of the way. The plastic mounting tab, circled in orange, stops the drain pump from being rotated. Press this down with a flathead screwdriver and begin to rotate the drain pump clockwise. It can be stiff, so take your time. Then, unclip the electrical wire connector. Unpackage your new dishwasher drain pump. The locking tab here slides into the housing tab inside the dishwasher. And this plastic clip also latches onto the housing. Attach the electrical wire connector to your new drain pump. Insert the drain pump into the opening, align the drain pump's mounting tabs with the locking slots in the sump housing, then press down to ensure the seal is tight and rotate anti-clockwise. You'll know it's in place when the tabs engage and lock into place. Clip the wires back to the drain pump. Place the control module back in place if it's moved. Place the insulation back inside the dishwasher as shown, making sure to keep the floor time light wire accessible if you have one. If your machine has a floor time light and it was removed earlier, clip the electrical connector back in place. Reattach the kick plate, also called the access panel. Rescrew the 2 Torx T20 screws back in to hold the kick plate in place. Reattach the cabinet door to the dishwasher by the fixing brackets at the bottom. Thread a screw into one of the holes on the dishwasher and loosely tighten it to hold in place. Lower and line up the screw end with the existing holes on the cabinet door and tighten. Repeat for the others. And that's it. Your new dishwasher drain pump is all set to go.